Hello student, today we are going to discuss simple oxide. Simple oxide in p block element. It will be discussed after the properties of dioxygen. The binary compound of the oxygen combined with other elements are called oxides. Oxides such as three types: acidic oxide, basic oxide, and amphoteric oxide. First is acidic oxide. The oxide which combine with water to give acids. These are generally oxide of non-metals. These are the some example of the non-metal oxide on hydrolysis to form acid, like SO2 combined with H2SO4 to form H2SO3 sulfurous acid, and when SO3 combined with H2O to form sulfuric acid H2SO4, CO2 combined with H2O to form H2CO3 carbolic acid, PO4 combined to form phosphoric acid, and N2O5 combined to form nitric acid. These are basic oxide, the oxide which combine with water to give base. These are mostly oxide of metals. There are some common example of the metal oxide, like nitrogen oxide combined with H2O to form sodium hydroxide, MgO combined with H2O to form magnesium hydroxide, and Fe2O3 combined with H2O to form ferric hydroxide. And third is amphoteric oxide. Amphoteric oxide are those oxide which show acidic as well as basic character are called amphoteric oxide. These, in other words, we can say that those oxide react with acid as well as base is called amphoteric oxide. These oxide formed by those elements present in the borderline between the metals and non-metals. Like aluminum oxide combined with HCl, there are aluminum oxide act as a basic oxide and form complex, and acetic oxide react with sodium hydroxide. They also form complex. When they combine with acid, act as a basic oxide. When they combine with base, act as a acidic oxide. There are other example of the amphoteric oxide is silicon dioxide, zinc oxide, etc. And there are different type of oxide, and these topic are important to the knowledge of the about the oxides. First is normal oxide. These oxide have -2 oxidation state. Generally, these are called oxide: magnesium oxide, hydrogen dioxide, calcium oxide, aluminum oxide, etc. On the other hand, peroxide. Peroxide is those compound or oxide have -1 oxidation state, like hydrogen peroxide, sodium peroxide, barium peroxide, etc. And these are superoxide. Those oxide have -1 oxidation state, like potassium superoxide and lead oxide. These are some common example of the superoxide. And another is suboxide. These oxide contain less oxygen than expected from the normal value. Is called suboxide, like nitrous oxide N2O, right? And there is mixed oxide. Last one is mixed oxide. These oxides are made up of two simple oxides like Pb3O4. In PbO2, it is a mixture of two oxides like PbO2 and PbO2 to form Pb3O4. And also other examples are also include in the mixed oxide right? Read carefully and try to learn the acidic, basic, and aliphatic oxide. Thank you.